Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I started believing in love when you said for the first time that love is beautiful thing. She wanted a puppy but I did not want a puppy, so we compromised and got a puppy. Money can't buy happiness, but it can help you look for it quicker in a convertible. A husband was asked, "Do you talk to wife after sex?" His answer, "Depends if I can find a phone." Marriage is a three rings circus: an engagement ring, a wedding ring, and suffering. Love the triumph of imagination over intelligence. Love to mind without a single thought. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. I am someone else when I am with you, someone more like myself. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Love is like war, easy to begin but very hard to stop. If I am worried with you, I like you. Nobody is worth your tears, and the one who is worth won't make you cry. Love is when you tell a guy you love his shirt, then he wears it every day. Not all men are fools, some stay bachelor. To the world you may be but one, but to one you might be the world. There are million things in the world I want, but all I need is you. I am crazy, but original you try to be me and you fail. Love your loves so much that you don't have to ask with whom you wear. Behind this big smile, there is an empty soul which has no expectations. To be rich is not what you have in your bank account, but what you have in your heart. Love is not just about finding the right person, but creating a right relationship. True love doesn't have a happy ending, it has no ending. Always remember to smile because you never know who is falling in love with your smile. If you want a stress-free life, don't accept anything from anyone. Expectations always hurts. Love doesn't lie, people do. Love doesn't leave, people do. Love won't hurt you, people will. No matter how busy a person is, if they really love, they will always find the time for you.